like a drunk in an old midnight choir. I have tried in my way to be free, like a worm on a hook, like a night from some old-fashioned book. It was the shape of our love that twisted me. If I've been unkind, oh, if I have been unkind, I hope you can find a way. Just let it go right on by. If I've been untrue, oh, if I have been untrue, it's just I thought a liar, I thought a lover had to be some kind of liar too. Bob Cohen on the electric guitar. Eve Adam on the saxophone. Like a babe stillborn, like a beast with his horn. I have torn everyone who reached out for me. But I swear by this song, I swear by all that I've done wrong, I will make it all up to thee. I saw a beggar, he was leaning on his wooden crutch. And he said to me, hey man, you just can't ask for all that much. And a pretty woman, she was standing in her darkened door. And she cried out to me, she said, hey, why not ask for just a little bit more? like a bird on the wire, like a drunk in an old midnight choir. I have tried in my way to be
Mesdames et messieurs, the essence of Cohen, Monsieur Bob Shea.